everyone. Today I want to share this 6x6 mini album that I created using the You and Me collection from Echo Park, and I really used most of it. I have very little left. It's such a pretty pastel-y collection. And so that's just what I have left of the sticker sheet. I did use quite a few pieces of that. So I did do a fabric covered album. I just bought this fabric from my local fabric store. And it is actually a fabric cover album that I put felt underneath over the chipboard before I covered it. Just because I really like that look. I like the softer look. And then I did use the metal corners from Tim Holtz. And it is a 3.5-inch spine. And it does have 6 pages. So it's quite a chunky album. But it holds up pretty good. So this is a Prima frame here. And then there's these 2 little pieces come out, so that you can put in a photo behind there. So that kind of just goes like, slides in like that, and then this one just slides in behind it. I just like the I Choose You to be popping out from the top there. So these are all stickers from the collection. And then this is obviously a big pocket, and I used a die from Grace Allen dies there for that. All right, so let's get into the book. So it's a seam binding closure. I wanted to keep it kind of shabby and sweet, so that's why it's a seam binding closure. So it opens like this, and this is another cut apart from the collection. I just matted onto some craft cardstock, and then this is a nice pocket there. Nice little pocket to add, a little expandable pocket to add things to. And so at the front here, I've got a closure like that. And then there's just 2 little cut aparts from the collection. This little pocket in there. And then it just closes back up, just like that. And then this piece folds open, and then this folds open as well. Get it all into frame here. And then it just closes back up like this. So that's page 1. And then page 2 has this cute little folder opening like this. And these 2 are pockets. I just didn't add anything just because it was getting a little bit bulky, and I wanted to keep it kind of less bulky. And then there's a big pocket back here. And then this is a sticker from the collection as well. And then there's a magnetic closure there. And then this is the 3rd page here. This is another magnetic closure, and this is a cut apart from the collection. And these are stickers from the collection. And then it flips open like this, and there's a pocket down here. And this is a punch from Martha Stewart. And then it does open in here, so there's a big pocket there, and there's a big pull-out photo mat there. And then it just closes back up. And then page number 4 has a big space for a photo here, and again I used that Martha Stewart punch. And this is a sticker from the collection that I just backed on white cardstock, so you could stick your photo under there. And it also opens like this. So all of these are nice spots for photos. And then page 5 has a stacked pocket. So it's got 2 big pockets. And it's got a few tags in there. And then the Crazy in Love is from the sticker sheet from the collection as well. And then this is the next page. So this is just kind of a cute little layout I did there. And then it opens like this. And this is just from the paper border strip. And so you've got quite a few nice little spots for photos there, and it has got a magnetic closure as well. And then this is a little gatefold here. It's got 2 tags on both sides, so they're both the same. And then there's a big photo mat in here with a nice pocket, and you could fit quite a few in there. I'll tie that up after. And then it does flip open this way. So there's a big pocket here where you could stick some more tags in. I just didn't because I figured they could stick some photos in there. And then the next page has this cute little fold down pocket like that. And then it opens here and here, and there's just a ton of spots for photos through this whole album. And this is a cut apart, and this is from the sticker sheet. And these are from the sticker sheet as well. And again, I used that Martha Stewart punch. And then this is another another sticker from the sticker sheet here. And again, your photo can slide right under there. So it's really nice for that. And then, okay, and then there's this there. The tag comes out of the pocket, and this is again the Martha Stewart punch, and then that's again from the sheet there, and this one opens like this as well. We can get the whole thing into the frame there. And then it also flips open this way. So this is again from the sticker sheet, and so is this, and again your photo can go behind there. And it opens like this. And then this piece actually flips up like this as well. And then this is the next page here, again from the sticker sheet, and again it's all open all along here, so you can stick your photos under there. That actually looks cute. Maybe I'll leave that there. And then this closes up. It opens like this, and again this is from the sticker sheet. And again, this piece just slides right under there. It's all open so you can have your photos in there. And then that closes up. And then this is the last page at the back. And it's a double belly band. So there's the one belly band here. So and then this is just a nice photo mat that you can stick under there. And then there's another belly band you can stick under there as well. So I thought that was kind of fun. And then all the way at the very back, we have a nice big waterfall. So I just put the strips of paper at the bottom, again, just to avoid a whole lot of bulk. Flips open like that, and then it closes with a magnet. So that's the back of the book. So like I said, quite a chunky book, and there are inserts. There are 6 inserts in the book, and they all slide out. There's 6 identical inserts, and that just goes right back into the pocket. And this cute little bracket die up here is from La La Land Crafts. It's one of my favorite ones to add to the top of my albums. So I hope you enjoyed that work through, and if anybody's interested in a tutorial on how to do the fabric covered album with the felt underneath, just comment down below, and I would love to do that for you if there's enough interest. So thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.